Yo, what is up guys? Today I am installing a blow-off valve on the Galant. This is a modification that I do not need, but I really want. The current blow-off valve functions perfectly fine, but it doesn't make the whoosh noises that I want. The installation for this is super easy, so it's less focused on the installation and more on the actual outcome of the modification. So let's get to it. Here we go, the blow-off valve that was in the Galant, the blow-off valve I'll be replacing it with. So this is fine, it works perfectly well. The obvious downside of this is that it does not allow me to vent to atmosphere and get that blow-off valve noise that I really want. That being said, this is off an Evo 9, and you can tell because it's metal. So all Galants and Lignums came with a plastic blow-off valve that looked just like this. The problem with that is it couldn't hold a lot of boost, so when you're turning up the boost, you generally upgrade to an Evo 9 blow-off valve. And that's the case here. They're really good, they work well, and I'll probably just keep this because it's perfectly fine. But this allows me to vent to atmosphere, and that's what this holds for. The problem is I bought this second hand and I didn't look at the pictures closely, but it didn't come with the trumpet. It came with this block-off plug because the previous owner ran complete recirc, and that's exactly what I don't want. I want to be able to vent. So I'll try it without the trumpet at first, but if I need to get the trumpet, I will. That's an extra $40, $50, I believe, which is why I'm not too keen on, buying that straight away. So we'll get this into the car and we'll see what it sounds like. So there it is, tucked away. It's just the 3 connections, this small vacuum connection here, and one on this side, and then the hose leading upwards. Alright, here we go. Okay. You know what? I think I like the fully vented better. Yeah, it just sounds better. That was way too light. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know how I feel about that one, to be honest. It does not sound as good as the fully venting to atmosphere. It just sounds a bit weak, like... Yes. No grill because I'm doing the God damn, it looks so good. We're now fully open. What a pretty car. So from the inside, having it half open didn't actually quieten the sound. It just made it higher pitched and a little less aggressive, to be honest, but it was still just as loud. I can't believe it, but I think I'm just gonna stick with fully open. The reason I didn't go for a hybrid and I went for a response was so that I could actually adjust the venting bias. I don't know if that's because I don't actually have the stock trumpet on there, but I don't think that would be the deciding factor of the volume. So yeah, interesting. Oh, sounds so good, guys. All right, let's head home. And that's that. A really easy, unnecessary modification that brings a big smile to my face every time I let off the throttle. I do not regret it one bit. I got a good price on the blow-off valve. The installation was super easy, super simple, and for once everything went smoothly, so it took a very small amount of time, but it made a big difference to the driving experience of the car. So yeah, would I recommend it? Absolutely. It may not be to everyone's tastes, but if it's something you're after, just go do it. It's worth it. It's so easy to do. There's really no reason not to. Just be careful when you're around highway patrol and you'll be fine. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll catch you on the next one.
You say you got them guns, but I've never seen you bang. You say you got them drugs, but I've never seen you slang.